Ugh, there's nothing to do. I've done already everything you could do. Well, I could paint some more. Ugh, I've already been painting for hours. Ugh, something's on my tail. Ugh. There. Ugh. Sweetheart, would you like, honey? Why is your room so messy? Huh? What do you mean, Mom? Why is your room always so messy? Clean this up right now. You cannot have a messy room like this. Mom, what? Look at this room. What's wrong with it? Look how messy it is, and look, I can't even walk in a straight path. Clean this up right now. I don't want to. Okay, I'll take your phone away. Wait, no. I'm gonna go grab your phone, and you're not getting it back until you clean this room up. Oh, and also I'm going to the grocery store to get food. So, I'll be back in probably like an hour or two. So, by that hour or two, you better have cleaned this up. I have an hour or two. But what if it's not enough time? Alright, whatever. We'll just start off with my... I'm gonna have to make piles. Alright, I guess I'll just start off with my... What's the most in this room? There's a lot of toys, but also a lot of clothes. I guess whatever is blue I'll pick up. This is blue, it's my clothes, alright. Ugh, oh my gosh. This is blue. I guess I'm just picking up all my blue clothes. That's blue. That's blue. What's that? What? I've been looking for this all over. I can't believe I just found it now. That's... Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. What the... Oh wait, actually I should probably put that in the pile. Blue pile. Now, I never got a bag to put my clothes... Oh, never mind. I had this. I forgot Mom got me this. There's all my blue clothes. Now, there's a lot of pink things. Oh, I guess I'll start with the pink clothes. That's pink. Ooh, I love these glasses. I can't believe I've never found them. Ooh, I like them. I'm going to slide them down a little bit. Yeah, I really like them. I'll start wearing them more often. Okay, I'll just start putting this in there. Oh no, my painting. I'll grab that bow later. There's a lot of pink toys instead of clothes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have this dress and this bow. I think that's all the pink. Oh, I found some blue. I mean, I don't know why it's under there. But also, this is pink. Ugh. Are these from, like, when we went up to the mountains? Probably. Ugh, grab all these things. Okay, I'm already tired. I have one yellow thing in this room. Oh, never mind. I have 2 yellow clothes. Okay, I think that's all my clothes. Never mind. More of this. My glasses. Then. Oh. Okay, and that's the last thing. Oh, never mind. Never mind again. This basket's already getting big. And never mind. This hat I got at the fair. Oh, wasn't I supposed to give this to my brother? Nah, I'll just throw it out in the hallway. Alright, I'll give that to him later. That's all the clothes, I think. Ooh, I've been looking for this ship. Oh wait, no, I can't get distracted. Alright, now for my toys. Are you kidding me? More clothes? Alright, I think that's the last one. Other than the one right there. I'll just grab it. Alright, and that was the last piece of clothes. I think. Now, maybe some of my toys now. Yeah, whatever. Move my painting stuff. Gotta close this. Oh wait. Gotta put my paintbrush in it. Okay, now I close it. And I put this in there. On top of it. Now I open up my toy closet. Sorry, I think a toy chest. I think that's what Mom told me to call it, or it was. Okay, pink first, I guess. That's pink. That's pink-ish, I guess. This is more of a red. That's pink. Pink. More of a yellow. Well, I'll just put it in. These 2 things are pink. Oh my, I think that's not even supposed to go in there. Ugh, that would have taken up everything. Blink. I've gotten so many toys before I started oh, that's not even mine. Don't know why it's in here. Neither. Is this mine? No. Sorry. Bird. Why is there a banana in my room? I probably left it in here. This is also not mine. That's my brother's. I know this tiger's mine. This is for sure mine. This is also mine. Oh, this is mine. And, I think that's everything that's mine. Oh. Right. Oops. What did I drop? I dropped this and then... Is that old soup? That's from like a month ago or 2. I haven't ate soup in so long. Ugh. Now I gotta make sure I took all my toys now. Okay, that... I'll care about the food later. Am I sure this is... Okay, well, this is mine. I know that. This is, I think, mine, actually. So, put those all in. And now time to close it. That took forever to figure out how to close. Now these will be thrown into the hallway, because these are not mine. These are my brother's. And now, is that some of my nail polish? Nope, I mean, I'll take it. Now I'm gonna put these back. And I gotta bring my nail polish. Blink. Oh wait, actually, it's supposed to be right here. Uh-oh. There. all nice and... Are you kidding me? There. Is this some honey? I mean, honey is good. And Sour Patch Kids. Why do I have so much fruit? Is that the banana? What time is it? Mom left at 1. It's 2? Are you kidding me? Wait, 2 what? 2:30. I have like 10 minutes left, or like maybe like 30, but still. Okay, gotta where do I put this? Where do I put this? I don't know. Where do I put this? Don't put that in the food pile. My skateboard isn't even supposed to be in this room, but I mean it's still in my room. Woo, this is kind of fun. Whee! I'm gonna do a trick. This is gonna be amazing. Whee! Wait. Now I know what to put. Now I know why this is in the room. Are you kidding me? Am I painting again? Okay. Now I put that there. And whee! Ooh, that's fun. I mean, I do have 30 minutes, so I'll just be doing this for like 10 minutes, whatever. Ugh, I'm tired. I guess I'll stop. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Mom's gonna be here any minute. Okay, where do I put this? I'll put it with the candle. Hee. I'm kidding. Okay, put that umbrella right there. Oh my gosh, stay, please. I need you to stay. Okay. Oh, my horse. Okay, my horse. Boom, okay. Oh no, I hear Mom. Okay. That's disgusting. I wonder if these Sour Patches are still good. No. Gotta take them out of my room. Ugh. Sweetie? Hey, Mom. So, when did you finish? 30 minutes ago. Oh, why were you laying on the ground? I was skating on my skateboard. Alright, well, let's make sure you didn't put all your toys in a closet. Oh, you didn't. Okay. All your clothes is in there. Nothing's under your bed. This is kind of in a bad position. What? I like it there, though. Okay. I can move it if you want. I could put this there and then my skateboard like that. That's a lot better. Okay, well, you can have your phone back. I never even took your computer or iPad, but okay. Food is downstairs. It'll be done in maybe like 10 minutes, so bye. Oh, my painting fell again. Good, it wasn't falling or fell when Mom was here, but ugh, now I'm still tired. I can finally go on my phone. I don't even want to be on my phone. I just want to sleep. No, I don't. What am I doing? Back to my phone.